Is it the right time to make a decision on Apple stock? Let's dive deep into Apple in this video. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments would be unfortunate. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.67. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 4.85%. This means that on average, it has generated a return of 0.44% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this indicates a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $191.49, it could give a strong buy signal and suggest a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 1.35% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between -10.90% and 1.8%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 32.66% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 18.76% and 48.39%. If this trend continues, the stock price could range from $226.41 to $282.89 after a year. Our latest update on Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded to buy candidate. On the last day, the Apple stock price experienced a decrease of 0.423%, dropping from $191.45 to $190.64 on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.93%, reaching a low of $189.74 and a high of $191.50. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 2-week increase of 4.85%. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which can be seen as a positive signal. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 8 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.03 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $198.22, while the lowest recorded price was $124.17. Currently, the price stands at 3.82% or $7.58 below the 52-week high, and 16.48% or $37.62 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. Evercore ISI also gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action on November 2, 2023. Lastly, on the same day, Barclays rated Apple as equal weight with a hold action. Analysts strongly recommend buying Apple stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratios as highly favorable, both receiving a strong buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral viewpoint. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Apple. The Apple stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction in price, it may find support at $188.82 and $178.84. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Furthermore, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). It's important to note that there have also been some negative signals, which could potentially impact the stock's near-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.423% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth mentioning that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduction in overall risk suggests that volume is following the price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator has shown a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 59 days ago. Make sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to the downside, the stock has some support levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there's accumulated volume support at $177.56 and $176.30. It's important to note that whenever a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Apple, if the $177.56 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $176.30 and $175.01. Moving on to the risk involved in trading this stock, it's considered to be medium. Apple has average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock moved $1.76 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.93% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.02%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's first delve into some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within the range typically observed in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.39. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $191.45. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding Apple shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple faces a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Catherine L. Adams sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Catherine L. Adams bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Catherine L. Adams sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Chris Kondo sold 4,806 shares of common stock. On October 15, 2023, Chris Kondo bought 10,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -23.091, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $184, which is a decrease of 3.48%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 84, indicating a significantly higher level of risk. Moreover, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? We have analyzed the current market conditions and believe that Apple stock presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. While there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we still consider it a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate Apple's opening price to decrease by $0.0133, starting at $190.63. Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What are your target predictions for this stock? We're eager to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.